This is just kind of defluffing the cheeks a little bit, making them more close to the face, gives it that sharper look. I just went in with a number 3, which is not too crazy short. It's just having it blend into a 1, so. Take like a 1.5 on the sideburns, see what that takes off. Two in there a little bit. A lot of the beard sculpting will be done like with trimmers, kind of get all that rest of that lined and defluffed and shaped up. But you can kind of see what a difference that made already. You can go different ways with it just because the beard grows in all kinds of different directions. So just kind of going with the way it grows to kind of get it off. You can still kind of hear the hair being cut. But you can see it kind of took control of that wave craziness over there. The fun part is shaping it with the trimmers, so. So doing a good beard is all just mainly about kind of sculpting it, making sure things kind of line up. Take a little bit at a time. What makes it artistic though, I think. Well, the goal for the mustache for most guys is just to get it off their lip. Tired of eating it, I'm sure. Cool. Well, it's got all the hair off. Now he's really going to want to take a nap because it's hot towel time for the face. Some of this beard oil in there first. Make everything nice and soft. Make sure you get it on all the areas you're fixing to shave. Good for the skin. and the beard. And then you can double check it once you got the oil in to make sure that that is even, because you can kind of pull it out a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of the tags off with my scissors, like right here. And there. Now what's good with hot towels is not only is it relaxing for the client, it's really good to help you get a nicer shave, opens up the pores a lot, makes the hair more cooperative to shave. Now the underneath section over here, I recommend getting down pretty short before we go in with the straight razor, just because it's just really meant to kind of get what's left over, because it's very sensitive down there. The main thing with shaving is stretch the skin out so it doesn't kind of fold over and catch the blade. That is how you end up cutting someone. And then for holding the straight razor, there is like that, but then sometimes to get those angles, I switch it in like that. The closer you are to the blade, the more control you have over it. So like you kind of can get a grip on where the direction of the blade goes. Now I'm putting some beard balm in here. It's gonna keep the scraggles from going all over the place, kind of keep it going in one nice little uniform direction, so it looks a lot neater. And if you see scraggles like that, you can always go back in, pair of scissors. The more you move the beard around, the more you can kind of see stuff.